All right, so right now we're going to go over how to make multiple choice questions very quickly and easy for your Google form tests. So we've already got the Google form created. I've titled it practice form. The title is also here. And I've also already added the questions to record students' last names, their first names, and the period. One thing that I recommend is making these questions required. You can click on the question, and then a required button tab appears right here. You click on that, and now the question is required. Kids can't move on to the next section until they have, or submit the form until they've answered the required questions. The period section is also here. Next, we're going to add a new section. Click on the Add Section button. A new section appears below. It's currently titled Untitled Section. We're going to change it to Multiple Choice Questions. And then we're going to add a question. Going to label it number 1. I've already have over here that the question is a multiple choice question. I'm going to put in the different options. In this case, it'll be A, B, C, and D. You may have noticed that Google will try to automatically fill those for you. You can do that if you like. Going to, again, click that required question button. And now I have number 1. Now, instead of repeating the process over and over, you can click on this duplicate button. Creates a new question exactly the same as the previous one. You don't want every question in your testo to be labeled number 1. So in this case, I'm going to relabel it number 2. I'm going to scroll to the bottom. I'm going to duplicate again. New question, number 3. New question, number 4. New question number 5. And this will be very repetitive. I'm not going to make an entire next 2-minute video showing you that, but you duplicate the questions and rename them until you have the number of questions that are on your test.